First up, Stephanie Link, Michael in Germany. Welcome, Michael. Thanks for the question. How to play Boeing at this point, Steph? Is it still time to buy for the long term?
I mean, I like it. It's kind of hard, though, right? It's rallied 60% from the lows, but it's still down 53% year to date. I think the big news, two big news recently, the debt offering that they got at $25 billion was two times oversubscribed. That's very positive. The second thing is the 737 MAX production restart. And I think when they get that certified, the stock's going to be a lot higher. So it's very hard to time this, but stay patient. You certainly don't have to buy it up on a green day, but I still like it for the long term.
All right. Farmer Jim from Scott, New York. Winnebago has had a nice run. Do you view it as a buy, a sell, or a hold at these levels?
You know, I'm holding it here because I own enough of it. I think you could nibble at it here, but I wouldn't get big. Look, I think it's got one leg left up to the mid-60s. This has been a COVID trade where people presume that vacations will be in RVs. Maybe that's true, but underneath this, it actually is a very good business, not only the RVs, but the boating. So I think it's got one leg left to the mid-60s.
John Najarian and Tony in San Francisco, California, long-term investor. I want to buy Facebook. Is it a buy now? I mean, this is one of those stocks that has a huge move.
Yeah, it's had a huge move, so I think you could be patient here, Scott. But it's one of them that in the space, they own it. The ad revenue is just going to continue to accelerate. I spoke yesterday about that Giphy, as far as GIFs, getting them onto Twitter because they just purchased that company. This one's just a behemoth that just gets stronger every day.
Mr. Wonderful Steve in Napa, California. Nice to be in Napa. With Shopify running so high, is there more room to run?
Yes, unfortunately, looting of Main Street across almost 100 American cities makes every single operator of small business realize how important it is to sell direct to their customer and be less reliant on retail going forward. And the engine and the fulcrum and the hammer on that is not just Amazon, it's actually Shopify and their new relationship with Facebook that allows you to sell direct to your customer and keep their name. That's the big difference. So small businesses want to do Amazon, but they really want to do Shopify and have a direct relationship with their customers. And all of this retail stuff that's happening is just amplifying that. And I say it's unfortunate because it is, but the secular trend remains. Shopify is a buy and a hold for the next 2 years.
All right.